Alright, stop scrolling. If you're a creator who wants AI images and AI videos for free, but you don't want to test 50 random tools, this video is going to save you hours of confusion. Today, I'm sharing 3 AI image tools, 2 AI video tools, and 1 bonus AI tool that nobody expects. All beginner-friendly, all creator-tested, no paid hype. So watch till the end, because the bonus tool is actually a cheat code. Let's start with something very simple. You open your browser, you write 1 sentence, and within seconds, an image is generated. No design skills, no technical knowledge. The tool is called vidnoz AI Image Generator. Vidnoz is completely free, works directly in your browser, and does not require sign-up. No email, no verification, no setup. You simply describe what you want, click Generate, and the image appears. You can create cartoon visuals, 3D-style images, realistic portraits, and cinematic thumbnails.
This new AI tool lets you generate stunning visuals instantly. Look at these examples, from simple concepts to polished social media clips.
Now let's move to a more powerful option. If vidnoz is simple and fast, this next tool is advanced and flexible. Stable Diffusion. This is one of the most powerful AI image generators available. It is open source, which means there is no subscription fee. You can run it locally or use online platforms that provide free daily credits. Stable Diffusion is used by creators who want full creative control. Cinematic posters, highly realistic characters, stylized artwork. The learning curve is slightly higher, but the creative freedom is much greater. Once you understand how to write prompts here, the results can be extremely impressive. Now let's talk about a tool that is simple, reliable, and surprisingly powerful. Bing Image Creator. This tool uses DALL-E image generation technology and provides free image credits daily. The interface is clean, the results are consistent, and it works on both mobile and desktop devices. If you want an easy, no-complication AI image tool that delivers solid quality, this is a very good choice. Now let's talk about AI video generation. I want to be honest here. Fully unlimited, high-quality AI video generation for free does not exist yet. However, there are tools that provide free daily credits which are more than enough for experimentation, shorts, and creative projects. The first AI video tool is Runway ML Gen 2. Runway is widely used by YouTubers, editors, and filmmakers. You can generate videos from text, animate images, and add cinematic motion. The interface is simple. The output feels professional. Even with the free plan, you can experiment and create high-quality short videos. The second AI video tool is Bing Video Creator using Sora. Inside the Bing application, Microsoft allows you to generate short vertical AI videos for free. You describe the scene, wait a few moments, and the video is generated. This tool is especially useful for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and vertical content. Free credits are limited, so it is important to use them carefully. Now comes the bonus tool. This is not a new platform. Most of you already use it, CapCut AI. CapCut now includes AI image tools, AI animation features, AI captions, and AI video enhancements. All of this exists inside a single application. When you combine AI images, AI animation, and captions in CapCut, you can create polished, high-retention short videos without complex software. This tool is extremely practical and often underestimated. Now remember this, tools alone do not create viral content. Prompts do. Be clear about what you want to see. Describe the style, describe the action. Short prompts, clear ideas, better results.
One final advice. Do not chase every AI tool.
Choose one AI image tool like Stable Diffusion and one AI video tool like Bing Video AI Generator and learn them properly.
That focus will help you create better content much faster.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.